This tutorial has been cut into two parts. Part 1 shows you how to fabricate a 3D text. Part 2 is an overall improvement. Hello and welcome to my tutorial. I'm Martin W. Larouche. Find a photo that you like, type your own text in Photoshop Elements, and I'll show you how to transform your ordinary text into 3D text. Then, for example, you should be able to customize your greetings cards, as I did here. I assume here that you know how to type a simple text. Below this text layer, we have the photo itself. When you work with text, the resolution in pixel is very important. Let's see where we can check it out. I take image, resize, and image size. Here you can see 300 pixels per inch, or 120 pixels per centimeter or so. If you have 72 or 96 pixels per inch, that's really not enough. Here I have 2 inches wide by roughly 1.5 inch high. Obviously my greetings card would be too small. Think of these two dimensions as just an example. No need to change anything. Cancel. To modify my text color, I click on the text tool. You can see here it's the name of the font and the color is white. Now I click and drag my mouse from left to right and downwards. Now it's all selected. I click on the foreground color to get the color picker. I can click on any color I want. I'm trying to get 50% black. See the flashing arrow. What's important here is that you stick your cursor on the left edge. I click OK. And to confirm my new color, I hit the check mark. Let's open the Effects palette. I take Window, Effects. I click and drag this black bar into here. And take Bevels. See here, there's all kind of preset bevels. I take the fourth bevel, called Simple Inner. Let's see it closer with the zoom tool. I click and drag my mouse diagonally. Here it's too big for my text. I have to click on the Layer tab to modify it. Can you see this tiny effects icon? With it, I can fix things up. I can remove the black stroke, like this. Here for the bevel, I decrease the size by dragging the slider to the left. Here you see 2 pixels. It looks good. I click OK. To see everything, I click on the hand tool. To distort my text, I first hit the text tool. Then I hit this special icon to warp my text. I choose the arc style. Whoa, not that much. I slowly drag the slider to the left. I'm in the negative values. I can also add a vertical distortion. I can type inside this box -8%. I hit OK. Let's go a little closer with the zoom tool. Before we go any further, I'd like to teach you how to nudge and duplicate pixels at the same time. Here's how. First, you simplify your text. Rasterize is another name for simplify. Then you activate the Move tool. Once this is done, you will use a simple shortcut. The Alt key held down plus an arrow in any direction that you want. For Mac users, use the Option key instead. This will nudge and duplicate your text by 1 pixel each time you hit the arrow key. Here's an example. I keep the Alt key down, or Option key for Mac users, and I hit the right arrow, down arrow, right arrow, and so on. First, you have, of course, your original text, and then you get a series of duplicates above the original text. Now let's do it. There are 2 ways to simplify your text. With the right click above the text layer, or you can go to Layer, Simplify. I click on the Move tool, and here goes the shortcut. Alt plus arrow, or Option plus arrow, down, left, and so on. As you can see, many duplicates have been created. To see my work, I click on the Hand tool. I have to merge all those layers now. So I click on this one and hold Shift down to take them all. Now it's time to merge them down. I take Layer and Merge Layer. I have 1 layer for my 3D text now. Let's take the Zoom tool to see it closer. I stretch the corner a bit and pan to the left. To add some color on the text, I take Enhance, Adjust Color, and Adjust Hue Saturation. Here I hit the Colorize option. I drag the slider to the right to get more saturation. I may also get another color with the Hue slider by dragging it to the right. But let's go back to the red color on the left. Okay, that's good. To see what I've done so far, I click on the Hand tool. In the second part, I'll show you how to make a more attractive 3D text. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye.